Batch 7 scanned and ready for transfer. Confirmed. Moving to stage 2. Temperature and airflow remain optimized for the golden batch. The visualization shows rapid vascular formation.
The humidity levels are stable at 65%.
Good. The turn cycle is almost complete.
The movement is significant in this batch.
They should be ready by tomorrow.
Hatching stage complete for this batch. Noted. Airflow is optimal.
Check the legs on this one, please. All good. Batch golden egg 4A is healthy.
Make sure the transfer log is updated on the tablet.
They seem to like the new space. Temperature looks stable.
Air quality levels look stable across the board.
And the temperature in Zone 3 is holding steady at 90.
Conditions remain stable. Airflow is optimal.
The flock looks very healthy. Confirmed juvenile development on schedule.
Feathering looks complete across the board.
Yes, and the air quality is perfect.
The temperature is steady at 21.5 and the airflow remains optimal. Confirmed. Humidity is stable as well.
Feathering looks complete. Good mobility.
Agreed. Logging body score as excellent.
The transformation begins with the golden fertile egg. a continuous journey of controlled incubation and natural growth. Temperature is holding steady at 21.5. Airflow optimal across Sector 4. Overall assessment is positive for Sector 4. No anomalies observed.
Routine metrics are all within range. Growth stage confirmed on the tablet. They look ready. Yes, the records align perfectly.
As the birds reach full maturity, our systems confirm the successful completion of the growth stage, ensuring a healthy and productive flock.
Temperature 25 Celsius and airflow stable.
Environmental status confirmed optimal.
The Plymouth Rock, now fully mature, showcasing detailed wings, strong legs, and vibrant feather textures. A successful transformation.
Check the water pressure on line 3. Looks good. All systems green on the tablet.
Movement is natural across the group. Agreed. Finalizing the report now.
Lines are clear. System check complete. Everything is optimal.